sonata of love. Why did we quarrel and part? What have you done to my heart? Now I'm praying and keep singing my sonata of love. Love is just a gamble. To lose would be too cruel. We can't go on like this. Without you, how could I exist? Nothing to say, now you're gone. Now